tonight we're honoring 30 years from a special creature maker and special effects maker, Academy Award winning, Saturn Award winning, Amalgamated Dynamics. And it's thrilling because we have a retrospective of all their films, past and present. I tell you, it's just amazing what they have brought and done.
A company that my business partner Alec Gillis and I created. We had met each other as artists working for Stan Winston, and this was back in the, for me, back in the mid-'80s. I started on The Terminator with Stan. Alec and I met on Aliens and found out that we had a lot in common in terms of our background, things that inspired us to become monster makers or makeup artists.
Physical effects are a lost art form, and they're so valuable in creating a believable character, whether it be a monster or a villain or just a variation on humanity.
My favorite monster movie, the first It took me someplace I didn't want to be, and my sister stayed scaring me because as a kid in our neighborhood, we always played around sewers like that. Our ball would fall in those sewers at times, and we had to try to go in there and get them. That movie came out, those balls stayed in the sewer. They stayed in the sewer, nobody was going to get those. So I would say It right now off the top of the brain.
I had a friend in high school, and he and I would make Super 8 movies and do monster masks, but back then there was no internet, so you didn't realize that there was a whole world of people that were just like you. So I always felt like I was kind of off the main trail, off the beaten path of everybody else, but it was all I wanted to do, and having done it, it's great for me to realize that I'm doing things that I've wanted to do since I was a kid.
From Hollywood, California, it's 30 years of makeup, monsters, and so much more on another edition of Out and About with Roger Martin.